something caught my attention on a popular subreddit that inspired this video. How do you prepare financially for the AI revolution? The AI revolution will no doubt have dramatic effects on society as a whole. Some jobs will vanish, never to be seen again. Eventually, we might have to rethink the entire way we organize our economy as more and more workers are replaced by robots. Perhaps most people will live off a government unemployment salary, while those in jobs that still require humans will be paid a lot of money to perform them. A recent PwC research makes a strong claim that, by 2030, artificial intelligence is projected to contribute over $15.7 trillion to the global economy. But here's what we found out. Only those who adapt will reap the rewards. AI isn't just reshaping industries, it's creating entirely new ways to generate wealth. If you're not participating, you're not just being left behind, you're choosing to stay irrelevant. In this video, we're unveiling 15 actionable ways to make money using AI agents in 2025. Number 9 is a very viable opportunity you can start leveraging today. The world is changing fast. Watch till the end, because one of these strategies could be the key to your financial future. Welcome to Ivory Finance, a place where we show you the road when it gets tricky financially. From self-driving cars to chatbots answering millions of customer queries daily, AI is already embedded in our lives. But here's the twist. AI isn't replacing everyone. It's empowering those who know how to use it. If you're watching this, you've already taken the first step, awareness. Now, let's dive into 15 profitable ways to use AI agents to secure your financial future in 2025. Let's start with something simple yet lucrative. Number 1. Freelance AI content writing. AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI allow you to create high-quality blogs, emails, and social media posts in minutes. The content marketing industry is worth over $400 billion, and businesses are constantly looking for affordable solutions. Charge $100 per blog post, handle 5 clients weekly, and you're looking at an easy $2,000 a month, all from your laptop. You can even make more if you spread your wings from Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and other gig platforms. Number 2. AI-generated art and design. AI models like DALL E2, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney are producing stunning visuals that people are buying for marketing, decor, and digital collectibles. For example, AI artist Jason Allen sold an AI-generated artwork for $40,000 in an art competition. You don't need to be Picasso. Just upload your designs to platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or even NFT marketplaces. This is creativity monetized. Number 3. Create AI-powered chatbots. Did you know that chatbots will save businesses over $8 billion annually by 2025? Here's where you come in. AI platforms like Dialogflow and ChatGPT API let you build custom chatbots for businesses without being a programmer. Offer your services to small businesses and charge anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per chatbot. With just a handful of clients, you could build a thriving business in no time. Number 4. Automate financial trading. Let's talk about money, your money. Financial trading is no longer just for Wall Street. AI-powered platforms like QuantConnect and Alpaca allow individuals to set up trading bots that analyze market trends and make smart trades for you. Back in 2023, algorithmic trading made up 60% of global market activity. Why not let AI make your money work harder? Number 5. AI music and audio creation. Content creators are always looking for royalty-free music, and you can provide it. AI platforms like Boomi and AIVA allow you to create professional quality music tracks in minutes. Sell them on sites like Pond5 or directly to YouTubers and game developers. In a world where audio content consumption is skyrocketing, this is a goldmine waiting to be tapped. Number 6. AI-powered SEO services. Here's another hot niche. Businesses live or die based on their search rankings, and tools like Suffer SEO and Phrase.io can optimize websites faster than ever. Offer SEO audits or keyword optimization packages and charge $500 to $1,000 per project. With demand so high, even a few clients can result in a full-time income. Number 7. Build and sell AI SaaS tools. Do you have a knack for innovation? AI-powered SaaS tools are the future. From personalized finance trackers to AI-driven marketing analytics, SaaS solutions can generate steady subscription income. Use platforms like Supabase or Bubble to build your minimum viable product, talk to customers, iterate, go to market, and watch the recurring revenue roll in. This is not going to be the easiest of them all, but the hack is to look out for a gap in the market, and build your SaaS to solve it and get paid. Number 8. AI-powered virtual assistants. Imagine managing someone's schedule, emails, and reminders, all automated with AI. Tools like Zapier, Calendly, and Call.com make it possible to become an AI-powered virtual assistant. Charge clients monthly retainers, and you've got yourself a scalable, remote-friendly business model. We're not just talking about earning money. We're talking about leveraging AI to redefine the way we work, live, and create value. Let's keep going because the most exciting opportunities are still ahead. Number 9. AI-generated ebooks and courses. Education is one of the most profitable industries, and AI can help you capitalize on it. With tools like ChatGPT and Grammarly, you can write professional quality ebooks in any niche, self-help, business, or even fiction, and publish them on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Or you can create online courses using AI to automate lesson plans, quizzes, and even video scripts. Upload them to platforms like Udemy or Teachable, and let the passive income flow in. The global e-learning market is projected to hit $400 billion by 2026, so now's the time to grab your piece of the pie. Number 10. Data labeling services for AI training. Here's a lesser-known opportunity. Every AI model you see today, from autonomous cars to facial recognition, relies on labeled data. That's where you come in. Tools like Labelbox or SuperAnnotate let you offer semi-automated data labeling services. Start small by helping AI developers annotate images or videos, and charge on a per-project basis. With companies spending billions to improve AI accuracy, this service is always in demand. Number 11. Personalized education with AI Tutors. Imagine a tutor that never gets tired and customizes lessons for each student. With AI, you can create personalized education platforms that adapt to how a child learns. Tools like ChatGPT API and Quizlet can help you build apps that teach math, languages, or coding. Parents are always willing to invest in education, and you can charge subscription fees or one-time payments. The best part? You don't need a teaching background, just a knack for delivering value. Number 12. AI-generated resume and cover letter writing. Resumes and cover letters are critical for job seekers, and most people struggle to craft them well. With AI tools like Ziti, Resumake, or even ChatGPT, you can provide customized, professional resumes and charge anywhere from £50 to £200 per client. Post your services on LinkedIn or freelancing platforms, and watch as your side hustle turns into a full-blown business. It's a high-demand niche that requires minimal upfront investment. Number 13. Start a niche blog with AI assistance. Blogging isn't dead, it's evolving. Niche blogs are still incredibly profitable if done right. Use AI tools like Suffer SEO or Phrased.io to create targeted, optimized content in trending niches like tech, travel, or personal finance. Monetize with Google AdSense, affiliate links, or sponsored posts. For example, personal finance blogs can earn up to $50,000 per month when scaled. Consistency is key, but with AI doing the heavy lifting, it's easier than ever. Number 14. Video editing services with AI. Video is the most consumed media format today, and creators are always looking for quick, affordable editing solutions. AI tools like Pictory, Descript, or Runway ML allow you to produce high-quality videos in a fraction of the time. Offer services like automatic subtitling, trimming, or visual effects for YouTubers, marketers, or small businesses. Charge per project or offer retainer packages. Your clients will love the speed and affordability AI brings to the table. Number 15. AI agency. This expands on the previous 14 points. If you cannot act on any of the money printing engines above, join heads with friends who share your vision. Want who are as skilled as you are? Register a company and start an AI solutions agency. Running an AI solutions agency is one of the most profitable opportunities in 2025, with the global AI market expected to reach $190 billion by 2025. AI-driven solutions are in high demand, and agencies can tap into multiple revenue streams. Offer AI chatbots, data analytics, and automated marketing tools for businesses. For example, Cognitive Scale provides AI-driven customer engagement solutions, helping companies like Deutsche Bank save millions. Businesses are increasingly adopting AI for personalized customer experiences, creating opportunities for agencies to build tailored solutions. As businesses struggle to integrate AI, providing consulting services is highly profitable. Bain & Company reports a 20% increase in operational efficiency for clients after AI integration. Agencies can advise SMEs on using AI for automation, inventory management, and predictive analytics. AI agencies can tap into this expanding market, capitalizing on the demand for smarter, automated solutions. So there you have it, 15 actionable ways to make money using AI agents in 2025. From content writing to data labeling, these strategies are not just for tech wizards, They're for anyone willing to embrace the future. So pick one strategy, start small, and scale up. If you found value in this video, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Together, let's build a future where AI works for us, not the other way around.